Hello mga ka-anes! Welcome back to my YouTube channel kung saan ang sayang matuto. Siyempre kasama na naman natin ang inyong paboritong katandem ko. Grabe, nahiya naman ako sa inyo nung kasama ko siya naka 500 views pag mag-isa ko 100. Okay, hello, feeling maham!
Hello!
Masyado kang busy, masyado kang nawala sa channel ko.
Iniisip ko kasi kung kaninong politician ako magpapabayad.
Oy, bad yun! Joke lang po ni Feeling Maha po yun Isa po siyang hindi nagpapabayad ito dahil tignan nyo naman, mansyon ang kanyang room.
Barong-barong pasensya na ho. Ating barong-barong.
In fairness, level up ang ating background ngayon, Feeling Maha. Iba na naman tong bahay mo na ito.
Iba na naman. Kasi hobby ko talaga yung magpalit-palit ng mga pastime.
Ay, bongga. Okay, ano ba ang pag-aaralan namin ngayon with Feeling Mahal?
Ano ba yung natin nung last?
Last time is syncope.
As of
pronunciation.
Mag-vocabulary tayo. Para naman
Oo.
masaya. Sabay-sabay tayong tatalino.
Correct. At saka importante ang vocabulary para hindi tayo on the spot na hindi natin alam ang mga bagay-bagay. Kaya kailangan palawakin yan, di ba? Actually, nakaka-addict mag-aral ng vocab. Parang meron tayong crave of all learning
what's
new.
next? Ano ba yung bago?
Okay. So, ano ang vocabulary na ating pag-aaralan ngayon? Feeling maham.
Yung for conversational purposes ulit kasi para ma-appreciate tayo na mga gumagamit ng English, ilagay natin sa konteksto ng conversational.
Okay, so conversational English.
Yung smart words na tinatawag, yung meron kasi tayong mga words or responses na tama naman pero with frequent uses, they lose their power.
Wow! With frequent uses,
dahil palagi
they
silang
lose their power.
Palagi silang nagagamit. Parang nawawalan nagiging usual na lang yung meaning nila. 'Di ba parang pag parang pag lagi kang nandyan, di ka ma-appreciate.
Pag
pero
nawala
kapag medyo
ka.
ng konti, bigla nilang na-appreciate yung presence.
Meron ka na namang pahugot. So parang gasgas ang ibig sabihin sa Filipino.
Using of words use of words very often will lose its power. Kaya kailangan nating pumili or kumuha ng mas appropriate or without changing the meaning or even giving more specific meaning to what we're talking about.
Oy, ganon. Meron ng pa-explanation si Feeling Maha. So, let's begin. 3 words lang to, diba?
3 words.
Sige.
Syempre, kapag may tinatanong yung ibang tao sa'yo, the usual thing, for example, they're asking you a favor. Of course, if you want to agree, sabihin mo lang, okay, no problem. Lagi yan, di ba? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So, parang siya, sometimes, meron kang nabasang book about yung okay. Sa lalaki daw, yung okay talaga. Pero pag yung babae, pag sinabing okay,
may other meaning.
May other meaning. So, para maiwasan yon, kasi pwedeng yung okay ay enough, pwedeng hindi. Parang ganun yan yung okay na napilitan lang. Yeah. So, para maiwasan daw yon at makita talaga na nag-a-agree ka doon sa sinasabi sa'yo or doon sa hinihiling sa'yo, instead of saying, okay, no problem, you can say, certainly.
Oh, so, do you like this shirt?
Certainly.
Kasi pag babae, okay. Parang
So,
okay lang.
applicable siguro more on office works. Pag yung katrabaho mo, pwedeng humingi ng favor sa'yo. Pwede bang, muna, or can you take my place for the meantime? So, if you say, okay, it seems like You just have to do it because you're in that situation. But if you say certainly, you are accepting the responsibility gladly.
Oh, perfect. So
Tingnan
let's
natin.
use
Let's use it.
certainly other than.
Okay.
O sige, ako magsasabi ng certainly, ikaw ang magtatanong.
Sige. Will you be at the office tonight for overtime?
Certainly. EmmAnne. Okay. Next, ang ating
Another.
next naman, another.
Change.
Oh, change.
Change. Parang kapag may ginawa kang trabaho, no? Tapos, pinaghirapan mo, pinagpuyatan mo, ang sasabihin sa'yo, change this.
Parang ang sakit.
O mga estudyante, so, lalo yung mga estudyante na sensitive, no? Pinaghirap sila, pero naiintindihan natin ang sentiments ng ating mga nakakausap natin. Kapag nag-effort sila, tapos bigla mong sasabihin na change this. Super sakit nun, no? Ikaw ba? Hindi ka ma-hurt?
Correct. Kaya sa mga teachers
changes.
na viewers natin, no, pag sa essay, binibilugan tapos change. Dapat
It's a bit
palitan
offensive because it refers to a work that's already done. And you have to replace the whole thing with another. So that's change. So it's I think mas light and mas smart kapag sabihin nating modify. Kasi pag sinabi mong modify, the weight of the liability becomes lighter. Parang magaan lang.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pa-modify naman to.
Oo, kaysa naman. So, change the program or change the plan. So, instead of saying change the plan, you can say modify the plan. So,
Okay.
change this project. Bakit? Anong mali? Nag-effortan ko to. Diba? Maraming mga questions. But when you say modify this project, so it seems like may ginawa ka namang tama. Kaya lang, there are some things na hindi pa naka-align. So, you have to realign it muna.
Okay. So, modify. Meron akong additional input dyan. Feeling maha. Pwede rin, tweak. Yan. Mas level up. Pero mas common si modify. Okay. Last is...
Ano pa ba? Yung advantage.
Okay.
Yeah. So, palagi natin yan. This person is taking advantage. So, it has a negative notion. Okay? When you use the word advantage, you're using the weakness of another person. But when you substitute it with the word leverage, you use your own capability to be better than yourself or better than the others.
So mas bongga ang leverage kesa sa advantage kasi may negative connotation.
May negative connotation si advantage because we always hear conversationally that there are people who are taking advantage. So if one person is taking an advantage or a company is taking an advantage, it means that they're using the weaknesses of external factors such as their competitors or the situation. So that's taking advantage. But if within the company ay nagpakabuti sila, they give better customer service, better use their researches to make their companies better. So they are leveraging the services of their company.
Ang taray nung leverage. I love it. Okay. Thank you so much. Feeling maha, just a short recap. Una is, instead of saying okay,
no problem, or simply okay, mas sabihin certainly.
Certainly,
Yeah.
okay.
And then,
And next is,
change. Kung pwede namang, kung hindi nyo naman papabago ng buo, ipamodify nyo lang.
yes, or tweak.
Pa-tweak lang. And then, the last one is advantage, leverage.
Leverage. Okay, that's it mga ka-Anes. Stay tuned lang kayo sa aking channel for more English conversational tips or anything interesting about English. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. Bye mga ka-Anes. Like and share. Subscribe. Ang taray naman ng kama ni Madam, feeling mahabang mayaman.
Okay, Makuleta?
Oo, kakatapos ng aming maganap. It's now 5:30. Bye mga kaanes! Mwah, mwah.